Struggling to find the complete sprint button in Jira? I have been there. You finish all your work, you move every ticket, and then you were just stuck staring at the screen, wondering where the button went. Here is exactly where it is and how to close your sprint in under 30 seconds. So here is the plan. We are going to open your Jira project, head to the backlog, find your sprint, and click Complete twice. That is it. Just 2 clicks and you are done. Let us walk through it together.
All right, start by logging into your Jira instance. This is the easy part. Just head to your normal Jira URL and sign in. Once you are in, you will see your dashboard. Now, from the left-hand panel, select your project. In my experience, people often get lost here because they are looking at a board instead of the project view. So make sure you pick the actual project name from that list on the left. Now, click on Backlog. This is where the magic happens.
The backlog view is going to show you all of your upcoming work, and more importantly, all of your active and completed sprints on the left side. If you are looking at your active sprint board right now, do not worry. Just click the word Backlog at the top or in the sidebar, and you will be in the right place. Scroll down the left panel until you find the sprint you want to complete. It should be the one that is currently active. You will see it listed with a little status indicator next to it.
If you have a lot of old sprints, just keep scrolling until you find the one that is open. And here is a tip I have learned from doing this dozens of times. Make sure all of your tickets are in the Done column or properly moved out. Jira will not let you complete a sprint with unresolved issues unless you force it, so double-check that first. Once you have located your sprint, look for the 3-dot menu or the Actions button on that sprint panel. Click it, and you will see the option that says Complete Sprint.
Click that button. Now a dialog box will pop up. This is Jira asking you if you are sure. It will show you a summary of the sprint and ask you to confirm. Just click the Complete Sprint button again. That is your second and final click. I have tested this on several different Jira versions, and it always works the same way. Give it just a moment to process. You will see the page refresh and your active sprint will disappear from the backlog view. That is a good sign. Now you can verify that the sprint is marked as completed. Scroll down on that left panel and you will see it listed under the Completed Sprints section. It should now show as closed with a little green check mark or a similar indicator. And if you want, you can click on that completed sprint to review its details. See what was accomplished, check the velocity, or just take a moment to appreciate the work your team did. It is a nice little reward after finishing a sprint. And there you go. From feeling stuck and confused to confidently closing your sprint with just 2 clicks. Now your team is not in limbo anymore, and you can move on to planning the next one. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I will see you in the next video.